eyes glow like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey, like stars in the darkest night. Crystal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is just going to be some quick and easy cleaning motivation. I had a little bit of time on my hands and I wanted to take full advantage of Colton not being here. He's over at his grandparents' house hanging out, and Logan is upstairs napping, so I figured I would make it a productive time. So there are a few things that I wanted to do and get checked off my to-do list, but I also wanted to do some tidying up as well, and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me to share some extreme cleaning motivation so you guys can get a few things done and checked off your to-do list as well. So I do hope you all enjoy today's video. It gets you up and cleaning right alongside with me, so put me up on whatever device you're watching me and let's get a few things done. Alright, so as per usual, I am going to start my routine here in the kitchen. I just wanted to get it done and over with, but luckily the kitchen was not that bad, so I wasn't really overwhelmed with what I needed to do in there. And really quick, if you guys have any videos that you want to see for this coming month, make sure you leave your suggestions down below. I do, for the most part, have videos planned for the entire month of August, which I am super excited about, but for the most part, they are not set in stone. So if there's something that you guys want to see here on my channel, make sure you comment those down below, and I will definitely see what I can do to get them done. But if you are not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you do anything else, because I have some really awesome videos planned, not just for this month, but for September as well. And I'm just so excited for it. So make sure you guys subscribe before you leave here, especially if you enjoy today's video, or if you enjoy videos like this in general. I just think you will totally enjoy my channel. So anyways, let's just get back into cleaning and get some things done.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
So I don't know about you guys, but it always makes me so happy walking into the kitchen to clean it and see that there are very little dishes to actually clean or load in the dishwasher, because I hate doing dishes. It's just one of those things that just is kind of like monotonous or boring, and I just honestly hate doing it so much. What about you guys?
I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no.
Also, looking back on my last couple of videos, with the exception of my house tour, which if you guys have not watched it, make sure you go check it out. I did an updated house tour, went through my entire house and kind of shared everything with you guys. I also clipped in a few clips from my empty house tour so you guys can see some before and afters, and I love seeing these kinds of videos because it just shows how much work and time and planning that you put into a house. And yeah, so I'll have that link down below for you guys. But I was saying, the last couple of videos, my kitchen has been unusually cleaner than it usually is, and I have no idea how that is happening, because 90% of the time my kitchen is a huge disaster. So I guess I should count myself lucky that there are those rare times that my kitchen is not a huge gigantic mess like it is not here, and just takes a few minutes to clean up and wipe things down.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Alright, so moving into the family room. As you can see, it was just a little bit of a mess. There were some things that needed to be put away. I also had a load of laundry that I needed to fold and put away as well. But honestly, I really try and get the boys to help me clean up their mess in here before they go up and take their nap or have quiet time. This was a different kind of day only because I just had Logan, and there are some times where he really can make a huge mess. Like, he will sit at the entertainment center and pull out literally like 2 games and just dump them everywhere. So it is something that we are trying to stop him from doing, just so he isn't just sitting there to pull things out just to pull out and make a mess. But yeah, normally I do have them come in here and help me clean up before their nap time. But I am now going to just finish up tidying the room, and I'm also going to fold the laundry of clothes and put them away.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
So one thing I wanted to actually get done as part of my checklist is to strip my bed and throw these sheets in the washer. I do actually have a second set of sheets that I will switch out for. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these downstairs, and then I'm going to put on a fresh set of sheets and pillowcases. But this bed, you guys, I don't know what it is, but sometimes it is just so hard to keep sheets on it. And originally we had, so our bed is a queen size, and originally we had queen size sheets on it, and the sheets, the fitted sheets, just did not stay on. So we ended up sizing up to a king, and there are still sometimes where the sheets still don't stay on. I don't know what it is, but it's so frustrating. So I've said this before, but I absolutely love making our bed. I love having a made bed throughout the day. When I come up here to grab something, or even when I come up for the night, it's such a good feeling, and it makes me all warm inside. But also, you guys, I am so excited to change things up for the fall and even for Christmas later this year. Let me know if you guys do any kind of like decorating for the seasons or for the holidays in your bedrooms. It's not something that I have ever really done. I don't even think I've ever really decorated in our bedroom until this last year, actually. And we had just moved into this house, so it was very minimal. But I do want to try some new things, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. But yeah, let me know if you guys do anything special in your bedrooms for the holidays. Okay, so now that all of the tidying up is pretty much done, the next thing I wanted to check off my list is to mop the floors. And this seriously has been needing to get done for the longest time now. Every time I had a second to actually do it, I just got distracted or busy, and it has been far too long since I last mopped my floors, and that is just life sometimes. But I am so excited I'm finally getting it done. I am going to fill this up with really hot water, and then I'm also going to use 2 capfuls of my Thieves Concentrate Cleaner, or my Concentrate Thieves Cleaner. And then next, what I'm actually going to add in is a few drops of my lemon essential oils. I absolutely love adding oils to my cleaning products. I mostly use it in when I mop the floors, or even when I use my Thieves multi-purpose cleaner. I just think it adds an extra layer of freshness to the room, and I just love it. So I added a few drops of lemon, and I love how fresh the room, the entire downstairs smelled.
Don't stand in her way. Run away. Crystallize, watching her pray. Crystallize, fascinate.
So just a little reminder, if you guys are still watching at this point and you're not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I know you will enjoy my channel, especially if you are enjoying today's video. I have tons of cleaning motivation on there, but also some organizing, decluttering, a little bit of decorating. But honestly, I love encouraging you guys to have some happy and clean homes, or give you all the motivation you need to just check a few things off your to-do list like I am doing today. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe before you leave here so you don't miss anything new. Like I said, I have so many really awesome videos planned for the next month and a half, and I cannot wait to put them up for you guys. And you're not going to want to miss them. So hit that little red button and make sure your bell notifications are on so you don't miss any of those awesome videos. Alright, so last but not least, I am going to be putting in a load of laundry. I originally had planned on doing just a load of towels and sheets, but I decided to do a regular load of our clothes just so I can kind of stay on top of things. I really try and stay consistent and do one load every other day or every day, depending on what our laundry looks like. But honestly, when I'm consistent with this, I really stay on top of it because I hate being behind on laundry. When I'm behind, it usually means I have like 3 loads of laundry to fold and put away, and I hate folding and put away that much laundry. It's so daunting and it takes forever. But if I stay consistent, then it's usually just 1 load at a time, at most 2. And usually if it's 2 loads, it's a load of towels and then a load of mixed laundry between all of us. So yeah, I really try and stay on top of it so I don't get behind. It doesn't happen all the time. I do get behind sometimes, but for the most part, I have really stayed consistent with it and I am so happy about it.
I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friend.
Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and it gave you that extreme cleaning motivation to get a few things done around your own home and checked off your to-do list. I am super glad I got the 3 things done that I wanted to get done, like stripping my bed, mopping the floors, and getting at least 1 load of laundry started. So I feel super accomplished and productive. And then on top of that, my downstairs is nice and tidy. So I hope this gave you that motivation to get what you need done as well. But make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here. Give this video a thumbs up and we will see you in our next video. Bye.